and gentlemen, we present the Kilgore High School Band. The band will begin tonight's performance with our color guard and majorettes. Member of the majorette line are Captain Senior Victoria Way, Senior Lauren McCormick, Sophomores Alicia Steele and Alex Barnes, and Freshmen Corey Owen Quinn and Ashley Armstrong. Color guard members are Captain Senior Lindsay Bennett, Senior Deanna Aldridge, and Sophomores Haley Castillo, Aaron Latham, and Samaj Austin. Tonight's routine will be performed to the Katy Perry hit Last Friday Night. For the KHS Band are Senior Kelsey Pryor and Junior Brian Holt. The Kilgore High School Band featured twirler is Senior Rachel Wright. Tonight the routine is cut short so that we can acknowledge our seniors who are performing their last halftime routine with the KHS Band. We will hurriedly introduce them and their escorts. First, we have Lauren McCormick, who plans on attending Kilgore College in the fall. She is accompanied by her mother and father, Brian and Becky McCormick. Next is Haley Elder, who plans on attending Texas Tech, majoring in law. She is accompanied by her parents, Rick and Jill Elder. Kelsey Pryor plans on attending the University of the Ozarks, majoring in education. Kelsey is our co-drum major. She is accompanied by her mother, Lisa Pryor, and friend, Tyler Simmons. Lindsay Bennett is next. She plans on attending Kilgore College, majoring in education. She is accompanied by her mother, Christy Schaefer. Next is Datrian Henson, who plans on majoring in computer science at the Southwest Assembly of God University. Datrian is escorted by his parents, Reggie and Sandy Henson. Kedrick Davis is escorted by